In this video, we will show you the touchscreen menu and parameter settings of DJI RS4 Mini. Home. The home screen displays icons for auto tune, balance status, gimbal follow mode, and follow speed. The status bar at the top of the touchscreen shows the gimbal connection status and battery level. Auto tune. The three values indicate the stiffness of the three axes on the auto tune page. The stiffness of the three axes can be adjusted manually. Tap Start Calibration, and the gimbal will calibrate automatically. You can also press and hold the M button and trigger to start automatic calibration. Balance status. To check the balance status of the gimbal, tilt the gimbal 15 degrees left or right and check the status bar. When the status bar shows green or gray, the gimbal is balanced. Gimbal follow mode. You can use the gimbal mode switch to change between different gimbal modes. FPV mode can be switched to 3D Roll 360 mode or custom mode via the touchscreen. Follow speed. Tap to select follow speed. Users can choose fast, medium, slow, and custom. Tap the icon on the top right of the touchscreen to customize the speed. You can select the sensitivity of gimbal follow. The smooth mode inherits the follow sensitivity of the Ronin series stabilizers, ensuring natural transitions and smooth start and stop movements in your footage. In responsive mode, the gimbal responds more quickly to hand movements during start and stop, providing a more responsive experience. Slide down, control center screen. Display. Tap to set auto lock screen timeout and brightness. The screen will lock when there is no operation after timeout. The lock screen displays the gimbal follow mode, the mode of the joystick, and its movement. Swipe up to exit the lock screen. Bluetooth. Tap the icon to connect to the camera or phone via Bluetooth. Tap Connect to pair the Bluetooth of the gimbal and camera or phone. The icon turns blue after connecting successfully. Silent mode. Enable to turn off sounds. The sound made by the gimbal during automatic calibration and the sound of locking, unlocking cannot be disabled. System settings. In the System Settings page, Disable Selfie prevents accidentally entering selfie mode and interrupting recording. Select whether or not to enable automated axis locks and the axis locks movement when powering on, off, and exiting sleep mode. Enable push mode to manually control the tilt and pan axis. Try horizontal calibration or manual calibration when the gimbal is unlevel or the axis is drifting. Tap Gimbal Auto Check to analyze and output hardware status information of the gimbal. Tap to see details and solutions if there is any error detected. Tap Auto Off and the gimbal will automatically power off after 10 minutes of being locked and inactive. Tap Restore Parameters to restore gimbal parameters, joystick mode, follow mode, and Bluetooth password. Slide up, gimbal settings screen. Users can select joystick speed and smoothness from fast, medium, slow, high, low, or custom. The lower the smoothness value, the more sensitive the movement of the gimbal. Dial functions allow users to set the function of the front dial. Users can choose to control Bluetooth, cable-driven focus, ISO, aperture, shutter speed, roll axis, pan axis, and tilt axis. Dial settings allow users to set the response speed of the function set for the front dial or reverse the direction of the dial. M button allows users to take photos by default. The function of the button can be set on the touchscreen to C1 FN1 button mapping. The function of pressing and holding the trigger can be set to lock the gimbal or entering FPV mode. Slide right, Active Track Settings. Slide right from the home page to enter the Active Track Settings interface. If no tracking module is connected, no signal input will display on the screen. When the tracking module is connected, composition, active track speed, and gestures can be set on this page.